Hi, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. So not only do I have a journal to share with you that is in my Etsy shop for purchase, but this is using a new kit that I have created called Antique Aviary. And I'm really excited about this kit because it's the first kit that I used my new program Photoshop Elements for, and I'm about 20% of the way through a graphics fairy course on how to use it. And I really recommend the course. It's about $59, which is not too bad. I'm only about 20% of the way through the course, and yet it has helped me immensely. So I was going to be releasing a kit called Wisteria and Roses that is still coming out. It's almost complete, but I got sidetracked. I found these beautiful bird images and I ran with it. So let me show you the journal and what's included in the kit. In the kit, you get 7 journal pages. So 8.5 by 11, you fold them in half. It makes 14 pages. You get 3 elements pages. So you have one of journaling cards, one of pockets, and one of tags. So here we go. I just did a green cover and I did this kind of leafy stitching, some black lace on the spine. This is one of the journaling cards that I created. And then I put a button, some music paper, some layered embellishments, and then here on the back I stamped and embossed a bird's nest and eggs. This is a Tim Holtz stamp, I believe, and it's embossed, so I thought that was really pretty. I have another bird journal I'm going to be showing you hopefully tomorrow, and that was a custom order for someone, and I did embossing on the back as well, and that was really fun, so it inspired me. So here we go. Here's a pocket, one of the little tags from the kit. You get, I believe, 12 tags, and I didn't even use all of them in the journal, but here's one, and then there's a 3x5 card with some flower stitching. Anyone who buys this kit will get, I can't talk this morning. Anyone who buys this journal will also get the digital kit free. So if you put your email in the notes section, I will send you the link to download it for free. And I'm also offering the kit in both printed and digital. And the way I'm going to do it this time is there's only going to be one listing for the kit. Before, I had one listing for digital, one listing for physical prints. And this time I'm just going to have one link for the kit, and then you choose the drop down and it will say digital or printed, and there'll be a different price for each one, and you can click on which one you want. That way it'll be a little easier to find. So here's one of the pages I designed. I worked with a lot of layers, played around with a lot of blending and layers. So you can see a wood texture, and there's leaves. There's also this script. And then I used some brushes in Photoshop. These are from the site Brush Easy. I really recommend them, and I'll have their link below. And then I used some other images from other shops, not in my kit, you won't get them in the kit, but for the journal. This is from by J. Lee Liu, and I'll have that down below too. And I showed these off about a week ago, but I wanted to use them in this journal. So here's a little paint chip card. It's Aspen Glen, Light Spring Blossom Green, and Lime Frost. This is one of the tags from the kit. And that is on there. And I made a giant tag here. Here's one of the pages I designed. Again, lots of layering, a lot going on. I found these bird images in an old scanned book. I thought they were so pretty. And then the course from the graphics fairy showed me how to remove the background, and then I was able to layer them with other backgrounds. This is from, I think it's DreamUpGraphic. That's why I think this isn't this is another one. And then here is a book page. Has the little Benwick's wren. I designed this page. And if you notice, this is a graphics fairy boho floral that I incorporated in there. And then I finally got to use these StudioDenmark pages I was ranting and raving about. They're like old encyclopedia pages. I thought they went really well in this kit. So please, if you're buying this kit, you may want to head over to StudioDenmark and buy these as well because they go so well. This is a really heavy like construction paper, and I just added some leaf trim on that side and some music trim on this side. I designed this page as well. And there's a, I think it's OldDesignShop background. I love that, 1917. More from Studio Denmark. Here's one of my journaling cards that I turned into a text spot for this big tag that I made. Stamp, and then I got this in some Happy Mail. I thought this was so adorable and went really well. This is one of the pages from the kit. More Studio Denmark. Here's one of the pockets you get in the kit. And then one of the journaling cards in my kit. And then I just added a subtraction flashcard. Some textiles up here. Here's another page from the kit. More Studio Denmark. And then some Tim Holtz stamping down there at the bottom. A little bit of music paper. I love this book page. It has bird eggs on it. And then this is one of the journaling cards from my kit. This is one of my favorite journaling cards. I love how it's like a little yellow legal pad. It's got a little bird on there. This is from my kit as well. I love the canvas that I put in the background. And then this paper back here, I believe, is also DreamUpGraphic. And I thought that went really well. There's like a lace and a canvas texture. And then I made a big tag, and there's a little music note charm. And then this is a journaling card from my kit. Some stamping on coffee dyed paper. And then I punched out all these little feathers, little green bird feathers, and put them all around the edge. Here's another pocket from my kit. And then this is just a little flip up for journaling in. Here's another page from my kit. Book pages on birds. Here's some more tags from my kit that I just glued down as kind of an embellishment on the side of the page. Some more music paper and Studio Denmark. This is also from my kit. Journaling card from my kit, and then this is Studio Denmark. So see how beautifully they go together? I really recommend this set of papers. This is my kit here, and here's another pocket from my kit. And then this is CherryPinkPrints. I've been using these sepia papers that she has in a bunch of my journals. I love folding them in thirds and tucking them in for extra writing space. And there's a little Tim Holtz bird. Actually, I believe this one's Tim Holtz, and this one on the back here, I think this is a Hobby Lobby stamp. More Studio Denmark. I designed this one, and here's the rest of that background from the OldDesignShop, and then I just added some elements. There's some trim, and I love how this came out. So I have a little bit of like burlap, and then a white feather and a button. More Studio Denmark. This one is mine, and these are the same birds that are on the front in a smaller form. Book page. More DreamUpGraphic. I designed this here as well. And then this is a little index card I folded over, made a pocket to slip in another little tag from the kit. And I only put one of this kind of tag. There's 4 that have this background, and they each have a little different stamped bird like that. And then, like I said, there's 12 tags total. Here's another pocket from the kit and a little stamped index card. Another by J. Lilu Bird's Nests. And then this one is in my kit. And then this is a postcard that I glued on the back, and then my stamps. So I really hope you enjoyed this. The links to both the journal and the kits will be below. I hope you enjoy it. I really loved making it. Thank you for watching.